Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Tnat election jong sarkar jala lengba ka office jong district election officer haga henriu tarik mentau benai yayong arjar khat khandai kala penlong ya ka Jing Ïaid Paidbah kumshi benta ban yalap bat ban Khring ya ki Paidbah haka bayadai bat ki election ban Leit Thep vote na ka benta ka election syakiyeng dorbar ka bah khli do jong kari India ka Lok Sabha ka ban salong haka kharwai tarik mentau benai yayong arjar khat khandai. Hakani ke Jing Ïaid Paidbah la yashim menta da ka kanhun jong ka Meghalaya Cycling Association ka kanhun jong ki nongnya kali arshaka ka Royal Enfield Riders Association of Meghalaya bar ka kanhun Vintage Contemporary Jeep Parade. Yakani ke Jing Ïaid Paidbah la sedang na pelau jong ka Shillong Club Shillong bat Ïaid saudong keleng ya ka nong ba Shillong. Yakani ke Jing Ïaid Paidbah la sedang na ka pelau jong ka Shillong Club bat Ïaid saudong keleng ya ka nong ba Shillong. Hakani kasngi ladon langru Chief Electoral Officer ka sarkar jala uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor uba lalong ukongsan bat shimenta ban kawe ya kalama na kabenta kani ka Jing Ïaid Paidbah laidon langru Deputy Commissioner ka East Ka Sales District u Abhishek Bhagotia ka kong Claudia Lengwa ka badai ka SP jong ka East Ka Sales District ki bor Panyat District bat kiway.
As for the Election Commission theme, which is no voter to be left behind, I hope as you cycle and you ride through various parts of the city and its suburbs, you spread and you will be the ambassadors of democracy, and you will cause suitable awareness and trigger interest amongst people, especially in those constituencies, in those pockets which are the low turnout areas. We all know that we have a problem of urban apathy, that there are some pockets who perhaps due to various reasons do not choose to come out. But we have a message for all of them, and we also request all the cyclists to carry this message that not voting is not a protest, but it's a surrender of your rights. So with this message in mind, you are the ambassadors, you are the flag bearers. We are proud of you as you ride to the rest of the city, and I'm sure that all of you have already emerged as true champions of democracy, and through your ride this day, this whole day, to various parts of the city, you will ensure that that all the voters race to the polling station on April 11th, and we also have small little medals for the first early voters on those who reach the polling station. There will be early voting medals for the first 5 early voters. So this is the message that we would like you to spread. And as it is, we would, thank you for waiting patiently this entire morning. By your presence this morning, it shows that you are a part of this great, democratic festival. 3,